Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to get your first sale in affiliate marketing on Facebook fast in 2023. Especially when you are beginner and have no credibility, no results and not an expert. So if you are just new to this affiliate marketing business and you are doing affiliate marketing on Facebook and you are looking for how to get your first sale, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get your first sale in affiliate marketing on Facebook in 2023. Right? So yes, watch this video till the end. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get your first sale. But before telling this, I just want to say that if you want to know how to make $1,000 per month doing affiliate marketing, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In this book, I have revealed everything that you need to know so that you can make $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business. Right? So if you are just new, go and check out my ebook. Down below there is a link. Right? And just one more thing. Actually, this video training gonna be in 3 parts. So this is gonna be first part video where I will show you your first step so that you can get your first sale in affiliate marketing on Facebook. Right? So now, without any delay, let me show you how to get first sale in affiliate marketing on Facebook fast in 2023. Here, one thing that you have to understand that from the core person of your heart, that nobody going to buy your affiliate product or your affiliate offer unless and until they know you, like you and trust you. Yes, keep that in your mind. Nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you and trust you. So first you have to build that trust. First you have to let everybody know you, like you and trust you. And now you might be thinking, Pankaj, how can I do that? Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Right? So now here, your first step. Optimize your Facebook profile with a clear message on your Facebook cover. As you can see in the screenshot, that how to optimize your Facebook profile with a clear cut message on your Facebook cover. By the way, if you don't know how to optimize your Facebook cover, then I have a training where I have shown you exactly how you can optimize your Facebook profile with a clear cut message on your, you can say, on your Facebook cover. So you can go and watch that training. Right? Now your next step. Yes. So this is your second step that you have to do. When you optimize your Facebook profile, then what you have to do? Start interviewing super affiliates, those who are doing great in affiliate marketing. Yes, this is very, very important to build that trust. So when you are just new to this affiliate marketing business, make a list of the people or the super affiliates, those who are doing well, or those who are 6-figure, 7-figure or 5-figure, or those who are one step ahead of you. So make a list of such people or such super affiliates and start interviewing such people on your Facebook profile. That way, what will happen? When you interview such people, there will be kind of you can say impression towards you that who is that guy who is taking the interview of this super affiliate. You can see in the screenshot that I have interviewed Spencer Macomb. He is super affiliate. He is ClickFunnels Dream Car winner. He is also Tacoma Club award winner. So I have interviewed Spencer Macomb, and there is another guy, Paul Motley, and there is another Rachel S. Lee. She is also ClickFunnels Dream Car winner. She is also Tacoma Club award winner. And there is another guy, Akbar Sheikh. He is also Tacoma Club award winner. Right? And there is another guy, his name is Navjot Singh. He is also super affiliate. So here what I was doing, or you can say what I mean by that, when you interview such people, there will be impression towards you that you are taking interview of such super affiliates and they are influencers, they are leader. So what will happen towards you? There will be a kind of impression that you are somebody in the market. Yes, no doubt they will not be knowing you properly, but yes, somewhere they will start knowing you. They will start liking you, right? And slowly, if you get more interviews, if you take more interviews of such super affiliates or such influencers, then yes, there will be trust towards you. And this is what we want in our affiliate marketing business. We want everybody to have trust on you, right? And when trust is built, then everything will be easy. You don't have to change for the sale. People will come and they will ask for your affiliate link, and they will say, hey, I know you, I like you, I trust you, because you are genuine. You are the guy who is taking interviews of influencers, super affiliates. So I know you, I trust you. You are providing great value in the market. So yep, that's why I want to buy from you. Please give me your link, right? So it happens, guys. It happens when you start taking interviews. Let me show you by going on my channel, right? You can see this is a YouTube, right? So yep, same thing you can do on your Facebook profile, right? So you can see that. So on my channel, I have uploaded these interviews. So if you want, you can go and watch, right? So this is your, you can say, next step that you have to do. If you want everybody know you, like you, and trust you, start interviewing super affiliates, those who are doing good in affiliate marketing, right? So this is what you have to do. So yep, this is all about for today. So it was, you can say, first part of this video training. And yes, in my next video training, I will show you your next step, so that you can build that trust, so that you can let people know you, like you easily, so that you can get your first sale, right? So don't forget to watch my next video training, right? So again, I'm going to repeat what you need to do to get your first sale. Understand this: nobody going to buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you. Nobody going to buy. Next, optimize your Facebook profile with a clear-cut message on your Facebook cover. And then your very first step, or you can say very next step, is that start interviewing super affiliates, those who are doing great in affiliate marketing. So that way you will build trust towards you. That way you will give impression towards you that yes, you are somebody in the market, right? When you are new, nobody going to buy from you because you are nobody. But when you start interviewing such people, those who are doing great, those who are super affiliate, so that way what you are doing, you are providing value. You are, you can say, by taking interviews, you let them to share their journey, right? You tell them, hey, share your journey, share your strategy, share your methods, right? So that way you are providing great value to the market. So when you do that, what will be the impression? They will start knowing you, they will start liking you, and they will start having trust on you. So this is what you have to do, guys. Don't underestimate this strategy. This is very, very powerful strategy if you want to get first sale in your affiliate marketing business, especially when you are doing Facebook affiliate marketing, especially when you are beginner, newbie, you have no credibility, nobody knows you, you are not an expert. So this strategy works. So if you are really, really serious, then go and start interviewing super affiliates, those who are doing great in affiliate marketing business. That's it, right? So once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.